Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about deleting created data using mutation in GraphQL API. For deleting the created post we will be using this particular mutation and we will be providing the ID value from the variables tab in Bruno. I have already started fake GraphQL server in my local. I have already opened Bruno. Now I am creating a new request in this collection in order to delete the created post. Click on three dots, click new request, change type to GraphQL, delete created post, paste the URL, click on create. Now in the query tab, just paste this mutation. Now in the variables tab, paste this JSON. So this was the post which we have generated earlier. The post was having an ID 5. So in this query we are passing the value of ID into this mutation. The value will be given from this variables tab. So here I have given the value of ID as 5 as a JSON. Now I am hitting this request. You can see we have got the response like this, remove post. So that particular post has been deleted. If you again hit this request, you will be getting the response like this. So if you want to verify whether the data is deleted or not, you can make use of this get created post. Here in the variables tab you can change this value to 5. I am saving this request. Hitting this get created post, read query. So you can see it is null. So we are sure that that particular post with the ID 5 have been deleted. So this is how you do CRUD operation in GraphQL API using Bruno. So the only problem what we have done in this CRUD operation is the changing of ID value manually. So we will be making this ID value dynamic in the next video using the concept of request chaining. So I hope this particular video was useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video if you have any queries. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.